Hey, all right, so we're gonna look at dealing with equations with fractions. Okay, so the first thing that we want to identify is the fact that if I write it like this, or if I write it like this, it means the same thing, right? Same, same. So that means if you see this, you can feel free to rewrite it like that, okay? All right. So we're gonna do our common denominator thing, right? So we know, you guys are very good at identifying that to get a common denominator here, we have to multiply both of these by 3. And here, to get a common denominator, we have to multiply both of these by 5, right? And so that gives me 3x minus 2 over 15 is equal to 2x minus 1 over 15. And once I get that, then I can just forget about the denominators because I can multiply both sides by 15 and be done. All right? So now it just becomes an old question that we did before. So we can expand. So that's 9x minus 6 is equal to 10x minus 5. And now we have variables on both sides, so I need to get rid of either this 10x or this 9x. I usually go for the smaller one. So I take away 9x from both sides. I get negative 6 is 1x minus 5. And now if I want x equals, I just add 5 to both sides. So x is negative 1. Done. All right, let's look at a different one with just a different look to it. Okay? So if I have 1/5 x plus 2/3 minus 2 is equal to x minus 2/3. Okay? So if I have this, I'm looking at the denominators. It looks like there's a denominator of 5 and a denominator of 3. Right? So that means my common denominator is 15. Alright? So, remember we said that 1/5 x I can write as x over 5? I'm going to do that because I feel like it'll make my life easier. Okay? So I need a denominator of 15 here, which means times 3 times 3. So that means I get 3x over 15 plus I need times 5 times 5. So I get 10 over 15 minus 2 is like 2 over 1, right? So if I want a denominator of 15, I have to multiply both by 15. So this will be 30 over 15. X is, again, over 1, so times 15 times 15. That gives me 15x over 15. And then minus 3 times 5. So 10 over 15. Okay? And now, again, I can just multiply everything by 15, and this dividing by 15 business goes away. So I'm just solving this equation. Right? And so I can collect some like terms here. Right? Then I can get rid of these 3 x's. So I get negative 20 is 12x minus 10. Right? Then I can add 10 to both sides. And I get negative 20 plus 10 is negative 10 is equal to 12x, right? And then I can just divide both sides by 12. So if I say that 12x is negative 10, I divide both by 12, and I get x is, I can simplify this, negative 5 over 6. Done. Okay? So that's how we deal with equations with lots of fractions. Okay?